Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Night Owl Rider. ഇതുപോലെ ഒരു പഞ്ചാബി റെസ്റ്റോറൻറ്റ് കിട്ടി. അത് തപ്പി കയറുവാണ്, മല കയറുവാണ്, കയറിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ലാസ്റ്റ് കയറി. Right now I'm sitting in the Punjabi restaurant. It is from 1994, right?
Correct.
So right now you could see the thali which is in front of me. This is golden thali, and this is the chole bhature. And now there's the main person who is from the restaurant, Mr. Akash.
Yes, correct.
So Mr. Akash will help us to know what are these things, and few preparations I'll give you in the first. Then only you'll be seeing this. So Akash, can you just help me? So this is chole bhature.
Yeah. This is chole bhature. It's dal pindi chole, and this is made of bhatura. Bhatura is made of maida,
Okay.
and we prepare in Punjabi style.
Okay.
And in this golden thali, we have like different varieties.
Okay.
Like we have dal, this is dal tadka,
Okay.
and this is paneer butter masala, and then next to that it's palak paneer, and we have aloo gobi as well. We give 4 varieties in that, and you have options in that. Like instead of aloo gobi, we can give you bhindi fry as well.
Okay.
And then this is raita, and this is tawa pulao.
Okay.
And we have one lacha paratha and one kulcha. We have options in this way as well also. Like we can give you one Amritsari naan and one kulcha with that.
So basically you are trying to tell in golden thali
Yeah, we
you
have many
can customize.
varieties. Yeah, we can.
So guys, this is a good option. For the golden thali, you can do your customizing. So you have to just contact Akash for the golden thali. And Akash, I'll have a taste of this. Let me start having. So
Yes, sure.
let me know which generation you are in. You were the first generation who started, or your dad?
No, my dad started it.
So you are the second generation.
Yeah, I'm the second generation.
Guys, he's the second generation who is running this business. Congratulations. And how is the business going on?
It's going on good.
Good?
Yeah.
Let's wish you all the best for you and your restaurant and your family also.
Thank you so much.
And let me start having it.
Yes.
And I'll give you a brief of what I felt about this thali and other things.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, Akash. Thank you so much. A different style of chole.
Yeah, completely different.
And you have added paneer.
Yeah. In the bhaturas also, we add milk and make the maida. Because of that, the bhatura will be too soft.
It is too soft.
Yeah.
Actually speaking, the bhatura is too soft. And I really love your chilla. I actually have a good taste. It is not so great spicy also.
Yeah, it's medium.
It's a medium spice, but it is going with the flow. Really try, appreciate it.
You can try along with the onions. Like there's a chutney mix over that.
Okay.
That will be more delicious than that.
This is with the onion and
Green chutney.
green chutney. Onion mixed with green chutney. So you could see I've kept the onion under the curry. Let me have it. It took a different flavor all of the sudden.
Yeah, definitely it will. Because the chutney, we are specially known for chutneys.
Yes.
This green chutney is not made of coconut or anything. This is made of pure dhania and pudina. That is coriander and mint. It's made of coriander and mint. And that will have a different taste.
Oh really? This is so great. So let me try this. Next, this is
Tawa pulao.
tawa pulao. How will you go with it?
Should eat it with raita.
Right. So this is right.
Yeah.
So what do you have added in your raita?
There's nothing much added. Like we make only with bundi and salt and red chili. Nothing else.
Nice man. Bundi. Then now raita with tawa. Right.
pulao.
Tawa pulao. Okay. What and all? How do you make tawa pulao? Like what are the main
Like
things?
we add the ingredients, like we add the vegetables, potatoes, cauliflower, paneer, peas, green peas. Along with that we add like some chilies and all, and we add some taste of garlic and some like a ginger. Then we fry it.
But actually speaking, see, I'm a spicy person, but this should be little more spicy. I would have loved it. But it is actually, what I could tell you, it will go for the people who don't, like, who have a medium spice, they don't have a lot of spice and all, no?
Actually the thing is like most of the people they prefer medium. But there are few people like who love spices, so they let us know before only. So we can make according
Yeah,
to
but
that.
I did not made. I actually made a mistake without informing them.
It's
but-
like
Good taste.
if we make more of spicy, so like few people they won't like, so they don't like spice, so then we have to change that.
Yes.
So before only we make only medium spices.
So again, I have tried tawa pulao. Now I'm gonna try
Kulcha.
kulcha. So this kulcha have carrot beetroot, if you could see.
Coriander, carrot.
Coriander. So this is a healthy kulcha. What I could see, kulcha and dal, right? Or paneer. Dal.
We have dal, palak paneer, aloo gobi. You can try it with paneer butter masala. You can try a single bite with every variety.
Okay, paneer butter masala. Oh, I could get only the butter. The milk. Cream. I really like this one. This is paneer butter masala. Really love that. Amazing taste. So, what do you use? Pure butter. That will be your main thing.
We use Amul butter and Amul fresh cream
Oh,
for the cheese.
yeah, I could see that. My second bite with
Dal.
dal. Authentic Punjabi dal, right?
Yeah.
So this is our authentic Punjabi dal. Actually speaking, it is going good with both what I have tried.
That goes good with all of the curries like which we have provided.
So this is
This is lacha paratha.
lacha paratha. So it is made of wheat.
Yeah, it's made of wheat.
So lacha paratha, I could see. Yeah, there is little coriander, right?
Yeah, this coriander. And we add white till as well.
Yeah, I could see few, I think also. So lacha paratha with
Palak paneer.
palak paneer. I really love it. Trust me, parathas are really going with the curry. What three curries what you have given, that is beautifully blending.
I think you have missed out the best one,
What?
aloo gobi.
Aloo gobi,
That
yes.
is the best among all of these.
Aloo gobi. aloo gobi. Amazing taste of aloo gobi, man. I have never tried aloo gobi in Bangalore like this taste. It is in a premium level. Trust me, it is in a premium level. You guys have to try this aloo gobi over here. Aloo gobi, lacha parota, then chola bhature. Then we have even this also, kulcha. Okay, so my plates are full. So, but try these things. Golden Thali, you have a best choice. You can customize. Once you are into this place, you can customize the Golden Thali. That you give only for Golden Thali or everything?
No, that is only for Golden Thali.
Only for Golden
The
Thali.
options are only for Golden Thali. But like there are options for normal thalis also. That is only one option. But in Golden Thalis, you get every option.
Okay.
You can customize the kulcha to paratha as well. You can customize the dal makhani. We have aloo gobi bhindi, palak paneer or like save tomato, everything you can make that. There are many options for Golden Thali.
So Golden Thali, you can customize. So now the final stage of butter masala.
Buttermilk.
Buttermilk. Okay. So this is buttermilk. What you could say? A big glass of buttermilk. It is so fresh. It is so fresh. I could never, like, I'm a person who loves buttermilk. It is so fresh. When I drank the first sip, and more than that, I felt really refreshment. So after a meal, a buttermilk is always a refreshing. So anyways, let me start having and completing this. I'm so hungry also in the meanwhile. So Akash, I really appreciate the quality of food what you have given to us and the quantity also. It's really huge. For a person whom can I have, like the people what I suggest, I really suggest them to come over here, have for a meal, the best. So finally, I am ending up with having these things. After that, I'll meet you. I'll end up now the video, then I'll meet you guys. Chalo, bye. So Akash, you are here again. I was just taking that view of this. So this is how you enter. Thank you, Akash. So nice meeting you, man. Once again.
Bye-bye.
Have a great day. Chalo, bye. So guys, I've been to a Punjabi dhaba. The name is Punjabi Restaurant. That is at Chickpet. If you want the correct location, you know. Okay, I'll just ping you the correct location with this. And moreover that, I just had beautiful, tasty chole bhature and golden thali. So I'll tell you what is the good. Chole bhature, it had a different flavor. So the spices, everything was made in Punjabi. That the previous conversation you can hear that. And on the second thing, I had the golden thali. The golden thali is something really great. You can customize. It's like you customize your bike. So that the way you can customize and have golden thali. So that was a really good thing. Golden thali. So there all that paneer, palak paneer, paneer butter masala. Then they had dal. Those things were really appreciated because they had a very good taste. But the rice in golden thali, the rice, the tawa palav, what they call it, it doesn't had the taste. It was not up to me, like it is not my style. It was not spicy, it was blunt completely. So that's the scene. So now again I started my shopping, regular shopping for my store, my etc, few things that you'll come to know later. So finally, I'm Night Owl Rider signing off. And I've not taken the intro, right? I'll take it some other spot. Chuma, I'm telling you, I have already taken intro. And people seeing Chuma making fun of me. So finally what I'm gonna do is, I had enough food. Now there are people who's watching me. Anisha, hi, everybody. Hi. Thank you, sir. It is just fun. हाँ भैया, सब लोग है मेरे पास. हाँ. So finally I'm gonna sign off. I'm Night Owl Rider. Lot of noise in the background. So finally I'm signing off. I'm Night Owl Rider. So meet you in the next vlog with me having a food. And one more thing, there's another few things are coming up in our channel slowly. Because of rain, everything I'm just stopped it. So there is something called Vainoki. That is the concept. So it is coming up shortly by after the rain in the morning time. When it is reducing, I'll be posting it. So finally I'm signing off. Night Owl Rider. So see you later. After that with new food, new taste. One more thing, don't waste food and feel the taste. Chalo, bye.